All right, let me hit you with this. Have you ever stopped to think about what you'd do if aliens showed up? I'm not talking about little green men handing out cosmic peace treaties. I mean the real deal. Advanced civilizations rolling up with technology that makes our best stuff look like stone tools. Sure, it sounds like sci-fi, but guys like Stephen Hawking warned us. Contact with aliens could get sketchy fast. So yeah, it's worth being prepared. Let's talk about building an alien invasion survival kit that actually gives you a fighting chance. The backpack that does it all. First up, you need a solid backpack. And not just any backpack. You need one built for the apocalypse. Think tough material, compartments for days, and something that can take a beating without falling apart. This is where all your essentials live, so it's gotta be dependable. Armor for your back. Let's get real. If things go sideways, you want some protection. A ballistic panel is clutch. It slides right into your backpack and gives you an edge against debris, projectiles, or whatever chaos an alien invasion might throw your way. It's lightweight, practical, and could save your life. A bag that keeps you warm. The world's not going to roll out the red carpet with perfect weather if aliens show up. You need a compact, reflective sleeping bag to stay warm and dry. It's waterproof and wind-resistant. Bonus, it doubles as ground cover or gear protection. Smart, right? Shelter in your pocket. Next, you'll want an emergency tent. Something lightweight but durable. This one's big enough for 2 people and even comes with a survival whistle, because signaling for help could be the difference between making it or not. Plus, the included paracord? Total game changer. Clean water anywhere. Water is non-negotiable. When the taps run dry or the water gets sketchy, you need a filtration bottle. Look for one that takes out bacteria, parasites, and even viruses. The right one will let you filter up to 120 gallons. That's survival gold right there. Light the way. Aliens or not, darkness is your enemy. A rechargeable headlamp with motion sensors is a must. Hands-free, long battery life, and reliable, this is what keeps you functional when the lights go out. Fuel for the fight. Let's talk calories. You're going to need energy to keep moving, thinking, and surviving. Emergency ration bars pack a crazy 2,400 calories into one sweet shortbread-flavored punch. They're compact and shelf-stable, so you're covered. Hydration on lock. Emergency water pouches are a no-brainer. Tough, puncture-resistant, and easy to stash, these things are lifesavers when clean water isn't an option. Always keep a few on hand. Tools of the trade. A solid survival kit is key. The best ones come with first aid, fishing tools, and a guide to help you navigate whatever insanity comes your way. You're not MacGyver, you need a cheat sheet for survival basics. Fire. Your best friend. If you can make fire, you can survive. Waterproof matches and fire starter pouches are absolute essentials. Whether you're cooking, signaling, or just trying not to freeze, fire gives you the edge. Don't get soaked. Rain, wind, alien acid storms, who knows? A compact emergency poncho will keep you dry when the weather turns against you. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and way better than getting drenched. The extras. Sometimes it's the little things. A patch or a small personal touch on your gear reminds you that you're still human. It's not just about survival, it's about staying sane too. Final thoughts. Be ready for anything. Look, maybe an alien invasion won't happen, but preparing for the unexpected, that's just smart. Whether it's natural disasters, societal breakdowns, or something straight out of a sci-fi movie, having a well-equipped survival kit could make all the difference. Don't wait for the unknown to catch you off guard. Be ready. Stay sharp. And remember, survival is about adaptability, no matter what's coming your way.